back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix unboxing today. She's already open though, so sorry trusty rusty screwdriver, we don't need you today. The tape was already like almost all the way off, so we're giving trusty rusty a little break. They send you the mailer to send back the things you do not want to keep, as tempting as they may be. Here's my hairbrush. Yeah, we're in my bathroom. I think this is gonna be the new spot to do videos until my other room's ready, which will be a long time from now. Anyway, yeah, see, like, things are kind of already falling apart in here, so I think this box was a little disheveled. Okay, let's read our note first and then I'll take the bundle out. Hey again, Rachel. Happy Fix Day. Can you believe fall is here? Yeah. I hope you're ready for the cool temperatures and excited to get outside for some fun autumn activities. My mom and I went to the farmer's market today and got some really cute stuff. I'm sending some amazing staples that you can transition easily into cooler weather. I hope this fix helps you find some great must-haves and brightens your day. Thank you for letting me know you'd like some sweaters and denim for this fix because, you know, fall. I found some great options for you. Dark denim is great to dress up or down and you can wear it all year long. They'll look amazing with the burnt orange sweater and black booties. She sent me booties. They're probably expensive. I don't like to spend a lot on shoes. I don't know. I don't know about you guys. I like having this here. I can kind of just lean on it. Please take a look in your closet to start getting ideas for any items you'd like me to send your way this fall. I'm tired. I'm also happy to help plan looks for upcoming travel or events. I don't have any travel coming up. I look forward to hearing how it goes. Talk soon, Caitlin. Thanks, Caitlin. I'm excited about a couple things in here that I picked from the Fix preview. We have our invoice, which will go over prices at the end. Wow, that was like really close. You can see all my wrinkles. Thanks, Caitlin. I don't know if you watch these videos, Caitlin. Do you? I don't know if you do. I'll have to ask in my next note. But here is the bundle. Look how fall she is. Look, this is the sweater I'm really excited about, so I hope I like it. It's really, really soft. Okay, let's open the shoes first because there's some shoes, like she said. They are the DV by Dolce Vita Orson Booty in black. Size 7. Let's see. Ooh. They are cute. They're really cute. But I think they're gonna be expensive. But here they are. Look how cute. They do have a heel, which I haven't really been wearing heels lately because I have weak ankles. Yeah, I fall just walking. My ankles just roll. But this is really cute. I really like this braid across the front. They're really cute. I do see, like, you can kind of see on this heel where the glue is, like, around here. Not to be, you know, critical, but I'm going to be. So that would be a deterrent on those right there. But otherwise, let's open her up. Dun, 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 dun. We're just ASMR. Oh, I missed the box. Okay, here's the sweater I was really excited about. It is the Pink Clover Nahulla V-neck sweater in burnt orange. It's N-H-U-L-L-A. Look how cute she is. She's a V-neck. I don't know, I thought she was kind of like collegiate looking. It's a size large? Yeah, it's a size large. She looks kind of big for a size large. But we will try her on. She's super cute. Okay, and then this one I had in another color from last year. And she's like a little boxy girl. And I had another color. I put it in my donation pile or like my friend pile, you know, to see if anybody wanted it, just because it didn't fit me right anymore. So I went for this other color one. So those two I picked from my Fix preview, and these jeans I did too. Did I read this one? No. It's an exclusive. Exclusive. Okay. It is, there it is. The pink, P-I-N-Q-U-E, Florence Raglan long sleeve sweater in purple size large. So it's more like a burgundy-ish purples, I guess. And then these are the STS Blue LE Skinny High-Rise Jean in Indigo, size 12. So I wanted to see if a size 12 fits nowadays. because I need new jeans. But they're just like, there's no distressing or anything. They're just kind of like a darker blue. They look bright blue on the camera. They are kind of more bright bluey. Bluey? 10-inch ankle, 10-inch high rise. LA ankle skinny. So no like distressing on the bottom, no special hem or anything, just this, you know, regular old pair of jeans. And last, I like having the counter here. Last, we have the Letty and Me Alicia is Alessia surplus sweater in burgundy, size large. So it kind of just like crisscrosses in the front. So this and the booties Caitlin added to my box from, so I picked these 3. So she added the rest. Anyway, okay, let's try everything on. Just got the lipstick off my teeth. Let's try everything on. Here's the first sweater. She's cute. She is like a cropped, like I said, kind of like a boxy girl. She's kind of boxier. She's really, really soft. I really like her. I just put her on with my black jeans I already have. Black jeans I got from Marshalls because I feel like I'm in between sizes and I don't want to spend tons on pants. But yeah, it's really cute. She's a little bit furry. You can see kind of like the texture there. She's really cute. She's really soft. I knew I would like it because I liked the other one I had as well. But I like this color. I think this color might be a little better. The previous one I had was like orange and brown and stuff. So I think this one's a little more muted. And I think it's cute. Okay, let's try on the jeans and the sweater and the booties. Fall sweater number 2. I like her. I think she might be just a little big. Like, I don't know if it's supposed to be baggy, but I think she might be just a little big. But I like the drop shoulder kind of aspect of it, how the stripe goes all the way down to there. I think it's cute. I like the V-neck. We'll pan down. Here's the thing, real time. Look at the texture. I decided I'm not gonna put the booties on because they have all the stuffing and stuff inside them, and I don't think I'm gonna get them. But here's the jeans. They fit. They fit. They might be a little long. Let me pan all the way down. But they fit. Just don't know if I need this particular pair right now. But see how they like kind of bag a little bit down here? I prefer them to be a little more cropped. You know, just because of my PTSD from having long jeans in my youth. But they are cute. They're pretty cute. They're a nice wash. Like she said, they're dark denim, so you can do whatever with them. So, I don't know. I'm on the fence about this sweater. If I should exchange it for a size down, maybe? I don't know. Or do I like the other sweater better? I don't know. We have one more to do. Let's do it. This is like a date night sweater. This is like a V-neck sweater. You can always put a cami on under it. Usually I wear like a tank top cami underneath my shirts just to like smooth things out a little bit too. I don't have that on today, so I don't know. I do know. I like the color of this. I like the V-neck, but might be, like I said, it'd be good for a date night because boobs. So it's nice. There's just not a lot of date nights happening with us anymore, unless it's like a spontaneous, you're out of work at the same time I'm out of work, okay, meet me here kind of thing. But it's nice, it's pretty, it's soft, it's a nice color. I think it's very fall. Like I said, you could put a cami under it, like a little lace cami or something. But I think I would just be like trying to close it up the whole time I would wear this. So, alright, I think this sweater might be the winner. I might even size down in it, I'm not sure. Let's go over prices and see how much things are. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. Okay. Woo! Alright, the STS Blue Helly high-rise skinny jean in indigo, size 12, $49. They're just okay. I don't know. There was just like nothing special about them. The Letty and Me Alessia Surplus Sweater in Burgundy, $48. So that was the date night one. The DV by Dolce & Vita Orson Booty in black, $75. I'm weird about shoes. I know shoes, like, you keep a long time usually too. So it's like worth investing in, but I don't like to. The Pink Clover Nahala V-neck sweater in burnt orange, $48. And the pink Florence Raglan long sleeve sweater in purple, $44. So I think this one's gonna be the winner. I'm pretty sure if I keep anything, that's gonna be it. Okay, these Stylist Pick subtotals, $264. If you buy everything, you get 25% off. Everything was nice, just a little off. So it'd be $198 would be the total for the 5 items. Hooray! So what's 200 divided by 5? Anyone? $40? 4 times 5? Yeah. No? Yeah, $40. So that would make each thing $40, right? After the discount? Math. It's fine. Real time. So I think I'm going to keep this one. Long story short. Yeah. You guys, I hope you're having a great fall. Let me know in the comments what you've been doing for fall. Like I said, my mom and I went to the farmer's market today. It's just been a real nice day. But I'm tired. I am tired. I'm not going to lie. Hence the leaning. But yeah, I don't know. The leaves are starting to change. I can see them outside my bathroom window here. And it's just really pretty because there's just like woods behind us. So it's nice to watch the colors change on the leaves and drink my pumpkin spice coffee. Are you drinking your pumpkin spice coffee? I just got the sugar-free syrup for my coffee, so I'm excited about that. Anyway, okay, enough about me. Tell me about you in the comments below, what you've been doing for fall. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.